let's make some drawings of the axle bushing and the axle. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to go to, say, the axle bushing and right click hide other parts, and there it is. That's what it looks like. And when we put it in the drawing, let's think about what our best front view is. Even though it's kind of round, I think it's probably the front view here, that view right there. So just like that, or actually turned around 180 so that the right view doesn't have any hidden lines. So let's try that. So let's create a drawing here. We're going to use the A template, and remember we want to have it look actually like that but the other way. So here's our front, and what I'm going to do is I want to rotate this. So I'm going to left click here. If anybody knows how to do this in a more elegant way, let me know. I left clicked once and then I pressed escape, and now I'm going to double click on that front view and I can change the angle here. I think I want to go 180. There we go. So we'll go like that, and then we come back up here to project view. So we'll click there and then we'll put our front view. And I don't know if we need a top view. Let's go ahead and put it in there. And here's our isometric up here. And let's make that shaded like so. And now we can put some dimensions on this thing. Actually, I don't think we need the top, so we're probably not going to keep that one. So how about right here, we'll put that distance 0.25, and the whole thing will be 0.5. Fair enough. Okay. Now we want to have the diameters here. That's 0.5, and this one over here. Let me see if I can move this one over a little bit. So drawings are all about clarity, trying to be as clear as possible. So you can move things a little bit. That's right, you got to move the front if you want it to go that way. And so I'm going to take this one over here like so, and then I'm going to press D to go back in dimension mode and take this guy here. And let's see, we need to, how about that like that, and this one like this. And then I don't like it so close to the... Okay, does that have everything? I think it does. Let's go ahead and delete the top view. What if we were to, let's see, what if we were to make a section view, a horizontal section view right through the center here? What would that look like? There we go. I'm going to take that and that's kind of useful. So I'm going to keep it there for further reference. And it's a little tight squeeze in here at a scale of 3 to 1. Probably should have changed that to 2 to 1. At any rate, let's see, can I move that over? Yeah, I can move that. Oh, no, it's got to be aligned. That's right. Okay, that's a little closer than I like, but we got it. So that is our axle bushing. Now let's go back to the box subassembly. We'll turn off the axle bushing and turn on the axle. And let's make a drawing of the axle. This one should be pretty easy. There's one thing we can do. There it is. What if I went 1 to 1? I put it there, and then over here. And then finally the isometric. This is pretty trivial over here, but I think it's worth doing. So let's put it there. That's going to be, looks like 5 3/4. And then in cross section, let's zoom up. It's going to be, should be 1/4 each way. There. And, well, let's see. That's a little tight. Let's do that. Click it right there. And then this one, I think I'm going to move over here so they don't intersect. And then I have the dimension drawing for the axle. There is a way to do a cut here, but I don't think we need it for this guy. And so we'll go with that. So that is those are the drawings for the axle, bushing, and the axle.